Latino, Latino.
Yeah, what I'll do here? What I'll do? What I'll do?
अरे
Tell me.
फटे.
Tell what I'll do.
Save it now.
Nancy Vineyard's gone on top now. What I'll do?
Okay,
You
buddy.
could have saved that.
Latino, I'll go.
Yeah, but I don't have future seeing eyes. No, I don't know where the ball will go. Okay.
अरे
Sorry,
Latino
I am goal too. Sorry.
You didn't buy them.
एक मैच में लैटिनो का करियर क्या एंड कर दिया. अरे हट मार. अरे
नहीं मार अंदर अंदर मार. I give you permission. अंदर मार.
अरे तो उनके गोल में मार चुपचाप.
मार 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 कोई तो आके मार. ओ अरे that was it man. अरे क्या बोला ये सीरियस. जाना गया.
Oh no.
Oh no what? Oh no my son. वो देख उधर दीवार पे बैठा हुआ है.
मार के. चलो और एक.
Small kid साला.
अरे नहीं डिवीजन डाउन वापस.
अच्छा हुआ वही होना चाहिए. गोल दिया साला फ्री में.
ए ज्यादा मत बोल रही है.
खेलने नहीं दे रहा साला ढंग से. गोल मारने तो दे.
हेलो.
गोल दे भी रहा था. बोल ना क्लास चल रहा है. बोल ना.
पागल है क्या?
बोल ना डरता कौन है तेरे से.
डिवीजन 1 हो गया मैं. नहीं.
ए लैटिनो तो ज्यादा ही कर रहा है. ठीक है.
हाँ ना गे.
ए लैटिनो.
ए इंडिया का फ्लैग है देखो ऊपर. इंडिया का फ्लैग है.
हाँ तो क्या करे बताना.
नहीं बस बोल रहा हूँ.
ए लैटिनो कुछ बोलेगा क्या. लैटिनो
Yes.
बोल तो फिर.
Mustard.
तू मस्टर्ड.
गेस.
तू. अरे बटाटा. हाँ ना.
अरे ओ कौन पंप कर रहा है?
लैटिनो ही कर सकता है और कौन करेगा. गोल है वो.
Easy save.
अरे शार्दुल भरोसा नहीं कर सकते हम. यू कांट टेक शार्दुल फॉर ग्रांटेड.
अरे
ए शार्दुल तेरे को पता है आज मैं सीजन एपिसोड 4 देखूंगा.
चुप बे.
आई विश आईफोन पे थोप टीवी होता मैन. आई विश. ओ लैटिनो तो ऐसा कर सकता है क्या तू ऐसा.
Yes.
नहीं
I left it for him.
नहीं तू नहीं कर सकता ऐसा.
132 किलोमीटर इतना फास्ट शॉट
काय
इतना
पाहिजे
दूर
मामा.
से.
उतना मेरा सेंट्रो जाता है. Don't worry.
टेस्ट किया है क्या तुमने. टेस्ट किया है.
Yes.
स्पीड टेस्ट किया है. ड्रैको ने जब तक
किया
टेस्ट
है.
नहीं किया मैं नहीं बोल.
ड्रैग स्ट्रिप पे नहीं.
ड्रैको ने टेस्ट किया क्या बता तू. ड्रैको ने स्पीड टेस्ट किया तो ही मानेगा मैं. इतना टिल्ट क्यों होता है बे लैटिनो पे.
हाँ बे बटाटे. बोलना गेस.
What
Double touch
do you
है.
expect to be like complete?
अरे
Crossbar.
Left kid
Crossbar.
चुप.
Crossbar.
एक भी गोल में गया है अब तक.
Crossbar.
वही तो देखा मैं एक शॉट मारा गोल में गया.
Crossbar.
ए लैटिनो.
पंप कर.
Crossbar. ये क्या है ये?
अरे शार्दुल है ना.
Crossbar. अरे निकल नहीं सकता. हट.
अरे
ए लैटिनो तू करने से बट ओके पटी.
पास अरे नो.
अरे हट देवा. मारा बोलिए मारा.
पास मत बोल. वो बे विलेज में ही रहता.
Are you
No, 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 no. Just no, 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 no. Don't say. Are you serious? Okay, just watch. Okay, just watch. Just watch. Look in the goal. Just look in the
I
goal.
was too fast. Okay, I'm
Okay. Latino. If you think of promoting him now, no, think of this moment. Okay. Think of
क्या
this moment.
मतलब?
If you promote
ए,
him from
ए,
Super PP LOL, no.
मैं
classic.
बहुत फास्ट था। ए, एग नर्स में था ठीक है मैं
नहीं,
चुप।
एग रनर्स में तो
हाँ तो रोटेट बैक पोस्ट बोला मैंने कभी बोला है रोटेट फ्रंट पोस्ट बोल नियर पोस्ट
अरे
मैंने
मैं
बोला
बहुत
है
फास्ट था रे।
नहीं मैंने बोला है रोटेट नियर पोस्ट एवर
स्वार ये रे।
वो तेरे स्पीड की बात ही नहीं कर रहा वो तेरे।
अरे अरे
ये क्या है ये
सॉरी
पटाटे।
कैसा पास्ता
मस्त शॉट था मस्त शॉट था।
द रियल स्क्वाश। टी क्यों बोल रहा है उनको? ओके बिट। अरे रिपोर्ट करता सॉरी इसको।
अभी कैसा चाहता है बिहार इज फॉर मी।
चुप।
बटाटे कुकर में से बटाटे निकाल।
ओके मैं जरा सा फेल।
नाइस वन मिस द शॉट कंप्लीटली वन इज पुट इट डाउन
अरे आई वांटेड टू रीडायरेक्ट इट रे।
नो
आर्यन
अरे लैटिनो
आई वांट टू क्राई
अरे ये बोल लैटिनो।
3 ceiling shots I tried. All 3 hit, but none went in the goal.
थैंक यू।
Oh, you Ethan, you guys have slot?
Yeah, come,
I mean,
I'm a ho.
let's play
no
2v2
way, Latino.
2v2 will play come।
Yeah. Very
Is
well.
my name showing up now? Yes, it is.
Latino, Shardul and me are in a rule number 1.
Oh, is great. Oh wait, then in that case, wait, no. You can stay there. Is for me or no? Is for me?
ए शार्दुल तू ऐसा मत कर बे।
Is for me?
ज्यादा पावर लगा रहा है तू।
Is for me?
अरे you will be kicked for being idle. ए? अरे शार्दुल ये कैसे हो गया?
हाँ क्या हुआ? ओ पटाटे।
What? साला।
I told you no. If you're in a rule number 1, everything is for me.
ओके चल लेट शार्दुल आजा रूल नंबर 1 में।
I want to hit it from the back। सीधा आगे जा आगे जा आगे जा।
अरे आजा।
ऐसा हॉरिजॉन्टल खड़े रह रहे।
अरे
हॉरिजॉन्टल रे हॉरिजॉन्टल
Just be in the goal, okay? So that
हॉरिजॉन्टल
you,
इधर बीच में भी। हाँ बस।
यस
no.
बॉल के हमें रुकते थे।
तेरा वीकी है क्या? कि तू वीकी है?
Are you sure? I named
विकी बोल
everyone.
रहा है विकी बोल रहा है।
ऐसा ओके।
क्या फटा में वो। अरे क्या हो रहा है? थोड़ा सा पीछे कर।
अरे नहीं. Oh,
हाँ अरे हाँ अरे क्या फुट कर रहा है? मैं बूस्ट
oh no. Hmm.
In Ethan, how do I join your game?
We are currently in a compy 3v3.
छोड़ दिया।
Ah, okay, then it's a competent
आर्यन आर्यन वो मैं जरा सा स्मार्ट मूव किया। हम लोग रूल नंबर 1 में ही थे और हम लोग मूव ये कर रहे थे।
ए चल आजा लॉन।
चल 2v2 क्लैप करते हैं अभी लैटिनो को वापस।
308 cast bump. What? How does that work? 308.
आई थिंक रूल नंबर 1।
हाँ I guess.
चल आर्यन लैटिनो को क्लैप करते हैं।
आजा रोनित को बोला।
Yeah,
Hey,
I'm in.
Ronit, come bro, Ronit won't come. Full Dubai man, you're becoming rich people.
That car annoys me a lot. I'm just saying.
Why do you think that?
Got rich, bro.
Ronit, you have golden Bugatti no now.
Ah, what is this, Ray?
Hey, you have a Range Rover, I know. Hello?
That symbol no on Ronit's antenna, it looked like my game was disconnecting or something. Top right.
Ronit,
Hmm.
you have a Range Rover, right?
I have a Range Rover, no man.
Mercedes.
No, yeah, I have a Mercedes.
Ah, see rich people.
Man, now you're making me feel like a piece of shit.
No,
Which
no.
Mercedes? Yeah.
I think it was even, I don't know, man. It was a nice white color one. Wait, I'll just search on the internet and see.
अच्छा शार्दुल
Hmm.
आज मैंने और अमन ने
Wait, when I ask my dad, hold on.
G wagon, man. G wagon.
हाँ अरे तूने क्या?
मैंने और अमन ने BMW M3 देखी
ब्लू कलर.
नहीं रेड और ब्लैक अलॉयज
Shit, eh?
एकदम
शे.
look
I imagine BMW M
Whose name is Ima? Okay.
I thought it was Mercedes.
MX. I imagine being in blue.
I did not Mercedes, sorry, it was BMW.
Okay, buddy.
you don't know the brand of your car
What is this man running?
What
Rich
is
people.
this, man?
Are he's so rich? He has so many cars. He doesn't remember name, man.
I was just going to let you know.
oh nice one इसको
I'm just saying my eyes are burning. They're coming out of my eyes because of this
अरे
map.
क्यों
My car looks kind of sick now.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Who's I'm a hoe?
Let you know.
Arey, he's some relative of Nathan, I think.
good pass I gave no Latino why does this guy have 420 being exact
Ronald, press tab and check.
Yeah, I saw.
You saved. With 420.
Hey, I'm lagging. What the
No
hell?
way,
What's
no way.
happening?
Ronald, you legend.
pink play
Ronald, you legend.
What did I do? Wait 1 second. what is happening?
With 400. With 400.
High latency, high latency, high latency. Oh my god.
Arey,
this
it's
thing.
gone.
You're from Dubai. No, my internet is more shittier than all of you, man.
you want to get
Arey, it's 420 ping is gone.
you want to go to some other server
Wait, I'm reducing this game volume, man. The crowd is cheering too loud.
Let's leave this game and
Yeah,
join
let's
another
leave.
server.
Yeah, I wonder why you would say.
I mean we have one goal we can equalize I guess oh yeah we can
How did I got this? Hey,
Now
I'm
you
lagging,
want to
man.
leave
We'll change the server to
He wants to leave. I don't want to.
Chal, leave.
I really
Leave.
know. You just said
Yeah,
you
man, just
wonder
lagging
why
so
you- You were just saying I wonder why to leave so
No, not you. Him. I was saying Shardul was insisting.
Hey, Ronit, nice wheels too.
Nice. Oh, thank you. I didn't like buy them. I don't know how I got them.
अरे this one's also clap
अरे मेरे को लीडर बना रखे.
नहीं बनाऊंगा
Well, let's see his
Ronnie,
ping.
just join and see
I joined.
Yeah.
Again,
man.
380, 394,
I'll just
398,
put middle.
400.
I'll just put middle.
Man. Are we don't put mid, then you all will have high ping. Put
Some middle is
Just make me leader, के boy.
chup.
SC Asia isn't there?
It's there, but let's try Middle East way.
Okay, put Middle
Okay, I
East.
have good ping Middle East.
You are real, why? You always have good ping in Middle East.
See, yeah, we also have good ping in Middle
Yeah.
East.
Oh,
Okay,
20.
20 ping. Oh my god.
Dubai is the solution.
This map is sand also.
Nice one.
Turn off the game volume, man.
Okay, Shardul. Okay, Lati. Okay, Ronit.
I'm playing better. And I think I play better when I have shittier ping, dude.
No.
Put
You
some
did
fucking
some
Japan
legendary
Sabashi,
plays
I'll put 3
over
goals.
there.
Arey, hut.
I got you. Ah.
How did that pass directly go to? Arey.
Aryan.
Flick ya.
Arey, no,
I'm so
bump me
sorry.
again.
I am so sorry. That was I actually threw that.
गोल चोरी कर लिया क्या मतलब
Okay. I bumped him, man.
क्या black kid I hit it again so that he couldn't steal it
Get right.
I always wonder what would have happened if you didn't bump Latino. Yep. GG Shardul.
Little mistake. Sorry.
What happened there?
He was too far.
Yes, I was too late.
You didn't go.
Me? What? No, no, no.
What?
You're in front.
I thought you were. Never mind. I looked like you were.
शार्दुल ने boost miss कर दिया. I wonder 1v1 में कैसे miss नहीं करता. अरे ये क्या हो गया?
Nice.
Oh my god.
Please God, please God.
Oh.
Kick, man.
It wasn't going
God's,
anywhere.
God's clearly not being very merciful on you today.
Yeah, today I think he has some case, man. I'll do him.
Okay.
अरे नारे पास करके पास थोड़ा सा लेट समझ ले आ रहे हैं ऐसे सिचुएशन.
अरे
कोशिश की समझने की समझ नहीं पाया.
क्या रिकवरी था. No. Why have
double tap.
Oh, Shardul, nice.
Why did I do that? I launched so badly.
Oh, Shardul, we played well there, man.
Yeah. That should have been my save.
He did a good play there.
How does he do that shit?
Arey, he's dumb.
How long has he been playing for?
300.
Arre Bab.
I am Latino student and I have played for 300 hours.
Nice.
Arey, shit. God clapped kid. गया. ऐसे. मैंने शार्दुल के लिए बूस्ट छोड़ा था पर लैटिनो ने ही ले लिया. मैं जा रहा हूँ.
Even all on you.
Oh shit.
Excuse me.
जा शार्दुल.
Yeah, go. This time I'm not going to push you. This time we can.
No fuck.
Oh!
Really, Ronit, little help.
nice,
Thank
dude.
you.
Oh, you know how to half flip? What?
I don't know what I
You
do,
taught-
but I do what I have to do.
You taught him how to half flip?
No,
He didn't teach me jack shit, dude.
I haven't played much with him to play.
You know how to half flip. How does he know how to half flip?
What is a half flip? Jesus, man, what the fuck does that mean?
Okay, why I took so long to do something there? And this slowly coming towards you guys.
Arey, nice one.
It's a half flip.
No.
Oh god! No. See?
Okay, yeah. Run it. I think I should just uninstall. Okay. I'll just uninstall the game. No,
It's okay.
no. I'll just uninstall.
Arey, dude, it's okay. See, I defended also.
Arey, Shardul clapped kid.
See, took all his anger out on that guy.
Gets it to our side and gets blown.
Yeah, I'm leaving this. Yeah, it's just a bad game, dude.
What?
No, I'm going to just uninstall this game. I don't want to play it anymore. It's clearly not my forte.
Arey,
Yeah,
no,
man.
it's okay, man.
Oh shit, I didn't have another jump.
We are dumb, man. We are
Man, I should get an achievement for staying on the ground for the longest.
Yes, Mama, close.
Close.
I'm sorry. See, I should read the game. I'm literally, dude, what am I doing?
Close, Shardul, close. Okay, Shardul, yep, rip, GG.
No way. Okay.
Would it be interesting if you missed that?
Yeah, no, I think you would actually put that. If you missed that, that's why I just stopped there, see? Then I was like, okay.
Oh,
I'll take it.
we both have the same score. Wow.
I'm going to cry.
Arey, why re?
I'm going Nathan, I'm telling you now only. I'm just kidding.
Oh god. What is this? Okay. No, this is not fine.
How do you shoot like that? I don't get it.
Arey!
I uninstalled the game. Oh no, sorry, Ronit.
it's fine because it wouldn't have made a difference the overtime now.
Go
I'm
for it.
going. 21 ping, let's go, baby.
Ronit doesn't have the same chemistry with me. And plus, he
Yeah,
also
because I haven't played this
the
game with him.
Yeah, he hasn't played the game that much. Ouch! 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 No! 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 Small.
Ethan has left the match.
Get career ended. Let's play 2 more.
Okay, 2 more. He said.
Best of 3, you know.
Wait, I just got to change my car.
I think if I talk softly, I can play till long time, bro. My mom and dad went to sleep. Let's go.
Nathan left.
Arey,
Oh no, I'm changing my
he'll
car.
come, he'll come.
The ball bounces softer off your car's wheels than the body. Also, what's a half flip? I've been thinking about it ever since you said it. What's a half flip?
What stadium is this?
Actually, let me check online.
This is a wrong stadium. But it's a right suburb.
Arey, just go in this place. शायद समझा ना?
आर्यन
हाँ रे हाँ.
एक डाउट था हमारा वो क्या था टाउन विलेज टाउन जो भी है
कौन सा टाउन?
वो ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस चिकल में ना
हाँ चिका बोल. तालुका ना? अच्छा तालुका बोलना.
तालुका नहीं रे विलेज स्लैश टाउन जो भी है
चिकालम विलेज हाँ. Latino, do you have a merc?
Trash I am.
Even if you score a goal, you're out there. Oh, Nathan.
See, how? Why didn't get enough lift on that?
And once I tried to do an air shot. Home goal. I called it.
Actually called it.
और आर्यन विद गियर करना है ना
What? Aryan? Why?
Wow, you're so toxic.
Aryan?
Team message.
I knew you'd do that, man.
Just
If I knew what the keybind was, I would do it too.
Array, press 1 on your keyboard.
Press 1.
Yeah.
मैं कुछ नहीं कर.
I got it.
1, 2, 3, 4. Open the menu for the rest of the chat.
Okay, wait.
Wow, Nathan.
Smally.
Nathan. How are you champion, Nathan? Please, explain to me. I really want to know. How did you get? How did you get that?
Aryan flew into a goal.
क्या हम नूबड़े हैं
Obviously.
What am I doing? Nice one, man.
I scored a goal. I didn't think that would happen today.
वाह
I really didn't think that would happen today.
Now you got a fat ass car, that's why. I told you not to do it. I got this.
Oh my.
फी पेमेंट मैं बाद में कर रहा हूँ
Oh no, that is not good. Oh, you can hit that. That is good. Yes.
Arey,
That is nice.
That is good, yes. That was also nice. This is not looking good. This is looking very
It is
good.
looking good.
CS
This can look very nice.
This is good, but
This is looking very bad.
this is looking pretty shit. No, what? That would have been so cool, man. This game is, dude. Actually, why do you guys play this game? Yes,
This game is doo-doo.
Yes.
My parents probably think I'm crazy.
yeah
My parents have given up, honestly. I
323177.
ये सिद्धांत
What's
प्रॉपर्टी
up,
कर
man?
गया
अरे एक तूने देखा केबीसी में ये which YouTube star's real name is अजय नागर पूछा 3,20,000 का क्वेश्चन.
Ah, that
क्या
doesn't
नाम है?
feel good.
हाँ
Carry
क्या
minute.
नाम है
कैरी
this
मिनाटी
is
कैरी मिनाटी.
Carry
मेरे को नहीं
minute.
पता था
this is getting intense.
Yeah, और फिर
That
उसने
doesn't look good.
Nathan that guy took a lifeline to answer that question.
That guy is crap.
Wait, what did you say?
Arey, see, there's a show.
freestyle and
I
Who's
know
gonna be a
I know
millionaire?
Paul Milega Karo. Yeah, I know that show. Yeah.
This guy. The question was who.
I just think I
who's-
forgot about everything related to man.
Latino lived in India for like okay Latino
Yeah, I've lived in India for like what?
This
how
game
many
is
years,
too-
man?
years not 8
14 years.
14 years yeah
So this guy was asked which YouTuber is named Ajay Nagar. He's probably the biggest YouTuber in India. No, wait. BB is
नहीं नहीं
Is the biggest YouTuber. हाँ, वो सही सही है.
कौन? Carry Minati or BB?
Clapping.
Oh, look at him doing the big boy shit.
शार्दुल तूने सुना था
Carry Minati is the biggest, Nathan. 21.3 million.
Yeah, and this guy took a lifeline to answer the question. 69 KPH. Huh?
Mass.
And he's not even like a boomer generation also, Nathan. He was like, maybe he was a zoomer.
अरे I mean
But don't his fans like hate him because of he was like a hypocrite or something? I don't know, some shit happened. I heard about it.
No, he took a lifeline to answer that question,
No,
and
no,
that
no,
simple
I think
question.
talking
I'm
about
talking
Carry
about,
Minati. No?
I'm talking about
Oh.
Carry Minati himself.
Oh, acha.
What
I mean, Nathan, I had a ball in the air.
You did an amazing pass.
This is what happens when I hit the ball in the air.
Nathan, that guy took a lifeline.
So, sorry, what?
शार्दुल मैसेज
Yeah,
Someone didn't know
see.
who Carry Minati was, and then he took a lifeline.
Yeah. And no, he answered the question, and that question was for like around 3,20,000. And after that answering that question using a lifeline, he started flossing.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
मेरे को लगता है शार्दुल को ही बना
I don't feel bad for him. I feel bad for his parents, dude.
And that is why I don't watch Indian TV anymore.
I mean
Arey,
Yeah,
that-
that's why I also don't involve myself in.
this also I came to know cause this
Oh, nice
Pratham-
job, Bronit.
Okay.
I know, right?
Sorry, Siddhant. I was a
Yeah.
little bit excited.
Yeah,
You know.
Shardul, Nathan. Yeah, see
I'm a
this.
two-kid.
That also in the other server, this Prathamesh put a screenshot telling the whole story. Even I didn't know about it.
Okay, buddy.
Okay, kids, I'm going.
Hey,
Go,
who-
good. Go, get up. Please.
Who's using Merc?
I
Who's
don't
using
want
Merc?
me.
अच्छा, one more best of 3, no? Let's
I don't want to be insulted anymore. Please.
okay
By an ecto, please.
Why you
Yeah,
guys?
I think everyone's going.
I'm putting rumble
No. Arening normal last one. फिर मैं जा रहा हूँ.
रोनित ready है
I'm ready. Yo, how many with you? Nathan, you're playing one more?
yeah
Yes.
oh champion
Okay.
didn't-
I don't
Sorry,
sometimes
by
like
the way.
it.
Don't mind me. I'm little bit triggered.
Do you think I care, Nathan? It doesn't matter.
why are you in a club called Dish
I think it was one of my friends' club. He told me to join.
Bish dash bish bosh.
GG
I think the club's name was Discount, dude.
my teammate is AFK wow what did I expect when taking Shardul as a teammate
That he
Hey,
will
Arif,
be
remember
AFK.
when we did the assignment together, dude? Not the assignment, sorry. We went for the science fair bullshit. Yeah, you used to remember, no?
I have pictures from
Coming
there.
down, coming
Retina
down.
looks like a potato
Oh my god, dude. Good
you
time.
know what
Yeah, even Nathan, even you were there, yeah?
Yes, man. I'm potato.
Yeah.
I
That
was
time,
potato. Sorry.
No, wait, it was you, Aryan, Nimish, and I. Yeah, Nimish. What happened to that guy? Like,
Nimish, yeah, I don't know what happened to him. He transferred schools and then I don't know what.
who's
Hey, Shardul
No, I'm using it right now. I'll be using it for a bit. I'll be using it for. You can use my MacBook.
Shardul हो गया
You can.
Subtle
Okay,
flex.
okay, I'll give it.
Shardul हो गया
I'm
ठीक है
doing it. Give me that.
Subtle flex.
Close the door, please.
क्या हो गया?
Closer. Thank you. I know, right?
मैसेज हो गया.
हेलो.
Hey Nathan,
Yes, man.
can't we do that Ender Dragon thing at around 5 o'clock something?
Ammai gets free at 7:30.
You just say Ender Dragon.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have a Minecraft server. Want to come?
I don't play
I
Minecraft,
doubt.
but I would
I
join.
doubt he'll get good ping.
अरे
I wish I had Minecraft, dude.
No one has.
Hey, I have.
Except you.
I think it's.
How did I score that goal?
Sorry.
That's how I scored the goal.
Sorry. Yeah, it's time to leave this game.
Aryan,
Ha 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 ha.